So if you've opened this little video, today's symbol for you is a duck. And it can be any kind of duck that you want. The duck that Spirit happened to show me happened to be a white duck, but at most certainly can be a mallard duck. I don't even know all the ducks, but any duck that you want. And what you are doing symbolically as this duck is you are looking for your people. You're looking maybe for other ducks. You're going up to maybe a squirrel and you're saying, you know, are you my friend? Are you my community? Maybe you're going up to a snake. Are you my friend? Are you my community? How about a bear? Are you my friend? Are you my community? So you're going out trying to find your community, your people, your tribe. It's like you're ready to get out there and explore, but you don't even know where to start. Well, Spirit informed me that exactly what you want to do is you want to find that pond as that duck. You want to get there. You want to splash around. You want to do bottoms up and dive for fish, and you just want to look so joyous, and you're so magnetic with your desire to connect with others that they will come find you. So I look forward to hearing your comments in the comments section, because we are entering into this time of unity consciousness and we are trying to find our people. But what Spirit is saying is you can make anybody your people. You just have fun. You let that magnetic personality shine and they will show up. All right, take care, everyone. I look forward to reading your comments.